Experiencing Genshin Impact getting stuck on the loading screen on your iPhone? Don't worry, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix this issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Genshin Impact, tap on it, tap Offload App, tap Offload App again, and lastly, tap Reinstall App. Solution 2. Check and fix the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it back off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 3. Update the Genshin Impact game. Open the App Store. Now, if you found any update, please update the app. But if you don't have any updates, then Solution 4. Check iPhone storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage and check your storage capacity. If you're running out of storage, then free up your iPhone storage. You can delete some unnecessary apps and games and also can delete some photos and videos to have some free storage. And then restart your iPhone. After following these steps, I hope that one of the processes will successfully fix the Genshin Impact stuck on the loading screen issue on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.